Hello guys, we're going to do an experiment called blasting.
Jump
Okay. So we'll not do it now. So we need baking soda, tissue paper, lemon squeezing. If you don't have a vinegar, you only need a lemon. So I will cut the lemons and I'll come. Bye.
Get off the light. They're doing do.
Now I'm done squeezing the lemons. Oh no. Now we need a tissue paper and a spoon. I'll bring the spoon for a second. Only you need one. So you have to first open it fully. Then this thing should be coming. Then and done. You have your own one. This middle corner, you keep it down and put it in the middle. And then you fold it, then you can keep in the vinegar. So I'll do this. No, we're here. Oh no, okay. So open the baking soda. Oh no. Okay. Then take 2 spoons. 2 cups of them. Oh no. Oh no, I spilled it. It's okay, we can do it. I don't need a spoon. Just put it up. Okay, that's enough. Now we have to fold it. So first take the corner off like this. Then into like this. Hey, Llama, why would you think he will go out there?
I want to bring this one. What we called this one, Baba. What we called
Okay, wrap it like this. Now it's time. Oh no, it's opened. It's okay. We'll be careful for next time. So do not try make it open, otherwise it will be a bad idea. Okay. Now we'll add a liquid like this. Oh jeez, I can't show. It's okay. Oh, okay. This might be fail or not. I'm not sure because the outside is opened. It might fail, guys. Sorry, I need to bring another one. Good. Control the bucket. another one. So pour the liquid in. Oh no. Is that enough? I guess maybe. Okay, that's enough. So fill this much amount, then close it. Oh. Nope, it's dry. We cannot do anything. Nope. Yep, we're doomed. Now let's quickly throw in the packet. Oh. Oh no. Now leave it like this. Slowly it will blast. Oh, might be not. Oh, jeez, okay. It did not blast. I guess it failed. Okay, it's okay. So, next experiment is the volcano. It looks like a slushy. Bubbles. Oh no, that's a volcano. Okay, I'll throw. Okay, first we need a glass, then the lemon juice for the same thing, then pour the lemon juice in. But remember to always keep in one plate, otherwise it would be huge. Check the lemon. Okay, now if you want, you can add colors, but I'm not sure. I have to add. Okay, wait. I need a mini spoon, not a large spoon. And this is the miniest spoon ever. If you want, you can add a tissue paper if you want. Tissue paper is very easy than the other one. But I'm scared. Wait, 1 second. Mommy, can you see that she put water on the table? Can I keep going? I think the plastic will have to go.
ಅದೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಂಟಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅವರು ಪಾತ್ರೆ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Okay, this time we'll just imagine that the red one is the white one is the red one. Okay, keep quickly 2 of them like this. Your homemade volcano.
ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ.
Look. It's spreading down here. Isn't it amazing? Oh, it looks like a milk. Okay, bye. Like and subscribe.